Hey everybody, Chris here. Today we are going to make an awesome salad. We're gonna use a lot of winter root vegetables, shave them super thin, get us some bright color, texture, and we're gonna pair it with a coconut sweet potato dressing that is out of this world. Super easy to make, let's do it. This dressing is very unique. It's thickened with cooked down sweet potato. We'll cook it in some water, coconut oil, and then mix it up with some things. Great texture, great flavor. It's gonna go perfect with all these vegetables. For me, a great salad has lots of different flavors, lots of texture. So I always mix in some fresh herbs, greens, and I love shaving root vegetables. This is what I'm using. You can use really whatever root vegetables you have in your fridge. We'll just shave them on top of the salad and then we'll be ready to dress it. This is how I like to do salad. Really, for me, a salad should only be about 50% lettuce, and then just pile on a bunch of other stuff. That's really gonna make it delicious. The dressing's super good. Manchego is a sheep's cheese. It's very digestible for a lot of people, even those who may have aversions to like cow's cheese. So it's a great option, shaves perfectly. Give it a try. The full recipe linked in the description of this video. Make it for somebody you care about. Take care.